Ha, that's funny.
He's as big as a fucking toonie.
Really?
Yes. That scared the shit out of me.
He was walking right down the burn marks. I thought the pole was tracking. That is...
Was that close to that thing that fucking gun?
Oh yeah, he was running. He was up on the primary. And then when you were up there, it started running down the pole, and I thought the pole was tracking down to the neutral. That is too cool.
No, it's cool.
That's hilarious.
Oh my God. I don't like that one bit. Not one bit.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to share this super quick video with you all. We responded to a tree on the primary. It started quite a grass fire, as you can see in a recent video. I mentioned it being dry. There's been a lot of high winds coming out of the winter. There's still a lot of dead grass in the ground, so we've had some pretty serious grass fire incidents with a lot of calls lately. But easy job. The line was out. It tripped out the line, so my partner checked for voltage, installed all his grounds, and he was up there working. And I saw this blue light kind of looking thing flashing coming down the insulator and then down the pole, and you can see there's even some fractal wood burning marks on the pole. And I kind of yelled up to my partner to just stop working for a sec. I said, what's arcing on the pole? It looks like something's tracking down, but the power was out, so I was quite confused. We did have a recent incident where bayonet fuse was removed and there was still voltage on the low side bushings in a transformer. So with electricity, anything's possible really. But I found it quite comical after that. What looked like some arcing going down the wood pole was actually a spider.
I wonder what happened to this thing. It's coming down. Where'd it go?
Yeah, see how it was flickering? That's what it was doing.
What, your camera?
No, when you were up there working.
Oh.
Like, see as he's moving, how the lights...
Yeah. Right off his eyes.
Yeah, and I thought something was arcing.
Yeah. Go in that white dot, you'll really see him. See his eyes?
Yeah. Right on the side of the pole.
Good camera.
That's crazy, eh? If it was light, I'd be able to go in 50 times.
See a radius? I'll kill a squirrel for you, all guys.
Alright, you'll be my squirrel guy, I'll be your spider guy.
Yeah,